Hello, good morning, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you my lovely outfit and also makeup tutorial, do Chit-Chat video. Without further ado, let's get started. Today I'm wearing a lovely grey jean from Esprit. My hat is from Esprit and my top is from Zara. So I have a shabby shoe on. This is very beautiful outfit for summer period or winter, autumn. So I thought I'd share with you my outfits. I'm going to do chit-chat video related to makeup, my favorite makeup, my current favorite beauty items and more. Without further ado, let's get started. Please give this video a big thumbs up, like, comment and share. I do Fiverr gigs. Find out more about my Fiverr gigs on blacknut.me. I'm also working on my new website, blacknut.org. So I've added some cool companies such as Joe Marlon, Bugatti, Ray A. Model, the actor, Ajax Football Club in Amsterdam. So I'm going to add more companies. If you wish to have your... So I'm also going to share with you some lovely outfits in this video. I'm wearing this boohoo dress. You guys will get to see my Ted Baker dress as well. So another Fiverr gigs I tend to do is I tend to share with you platforms you can register with yourself to earn money, especially if you want to become self-employed. So there are several platforms such as you guys know Fiverr, you guys know Upworks, Udemy, Skillshare. These are great platforms you can register yourself, right? And for if you want to become a photo model and earn money as a photo model, you can register yourself on TikTok, Instagram, create a Facebook page and send emails to photographers that you're interested. And several photographers tend to advertise themselves on social media such as Facebook, as in whenever they have an oncoming photo sections, they tend to publish it and state that they're looking for models, and models tend to respond. So that's an awesome way to find gigs. So some photographers also love to talk about Fiverr gigs with me. So for example, if you wish to know cool platforms for publishing your pictures such as 500ps, Flickr, you have so many other ones such as Photolia, iStock, Shutterstock, Photo Community. So when I was Zoom is also a good one. So when I was photo, so I decided to style myself with this lovely African print. Looks absolutely beautiful. I'm also wearing my weave. In a nutshell, it is important to check for job openings on Google, via Indeed and LinkedIn if you want to find a job. So I'm going to search for hotel manager jobs, Lagos, Nigeria. So I'm coaching you guys how to find a job Indeed. So my findings, I found 71 hotel managers jobs in Lagos as of November 2023. So I found restaurant manager, Both Hub Foodville, Lagos. Jobberman is the job center. You can find job. I found Western Lineage Business Concept, Lagos. Found laundry manager, Best Western BWC Hotels, Lagos. So they're looking for laundry manager. I found Sunrose. Hey my love, so I started this series recently that I tend to read hotels, beauty shops or restaurants, and you guys like it very much. So today I'm going to read out some top restaurants in Port Harcourt. So I found Jevinique, I found Asia Town Restaurant, Port Harcourt. I found Ororo, I found the Red Corral, I found Casablanca Restaurant and Sports Bar, I found Blue Elephant Restaurant, I found South Sisters Havana, I found Margaret Restaurant, I found Piazza Restaurant, I found Spice Riot, I found 1211 Restaurant, I found Pizza More Italian Restaurant. I found Native Trade GRA Port Harcourt. I found Spa Bar. I found Mike Garden Restaurant. I found Piano Club Restaurant. I found Eden Lounge and Restaurant Port Harcourt. I found there's so many cool restaurants in Port Harcourt. I found the latest bistro. I found the Waterside Restaurant and Lounge. Wow, I found the best barbecue. I found Corner Store Cafe, Bahamas Cuisine. I found Cravings Restaurants and Bar. That's in Ellen Wall Street. I found Chef Edward. So I'm going to go to, Belgium. I'm just going to search for top restaurants Antwerpen. So I hope I'm going to find something you guys would love. Hi guys, today I'll be coaching you on how to find a job in Amsterdam. As you already know, I do Fiverr gigs, so I tend to promote companies on my website, akinepatience.org, akinepatience.org, blacknoir.me, blacknoir.org, akinepatience.com. So I have been doing Fiverr gigs for more than 8 years. I tend to write permission letter, proposals, send my CV to these companies. So I do Fiverr gigs online, offline. I mean, how do you do Fiverr gigs offline? You can do Fiverr gigs offline by face-to-face coaching, mentoring, and also, helping out with flyers, posters, printouts, designing logos. And hi guys, this is going to be room tour. Guys, this is my outfit for today. Guys, so I tried to start it with this lovely leggings. So if you like, you can style yourself with this lovely hat from Esprit. So Esprit is a fashion brand, highly recommended. You guys know my favorite items, right? Fashionable items from Esprit, lovely cosmetics from the Body Shop, Rituals. So these are my favorites. So I like this hat very much. So you can decide to leave your scarf on, or you can remove it. So I'll just remove it now. This looks a bit weird, right? So I'll just remove it, but you might decide to wear it with a scarf on. So I'll just remove it. So this is how this lovely hat looks like. Doesn't look bad. I look good. I look lovely. So pretty. Guys, give this video a big thumbs up. Hi guys, I decided to do a little bit of layering. So I'm wearing this lovely top, my scarf, lovely dress. You guys know this dress, right? From Boo. Hi guys, this is going to be room tour. Hi guys, so I've changed my outfit. I'm wearing this lovely dress. It's very pretty feminine dress.